right, class. Today we are going to be studying the Declaration of Independence. And before we get started in this unit, I would like you guys to, each one of you has a computer, and we're going to go to ushistory.org. And I'm going to give you some stuff that you need to look up. On this webpage, ushistory.org, you'll notice on the left-hand side there'll be different links that you can go to find information. But what I'd like you to do is to find out, at least name 5 to 6 of the founding fathers who signed the Declaration of Independence. Also, we want to look at the day, the exact day that it happened, and the year. The reasons behind signing the Declaration of Independence, and also some of the reasons why we wanted to succeed from England as being ruled by King George III at that time frame. I expect you guys to read through the whole lesson on this. It's a couple pages long on your web page. Also, during this time, I want you to look. There's an original picture of the document of the Declaration of Independence, and you can kind of notice how it was written with cursive writing, and you can kind of look at the bottom of it. Some of the signers of the Declaration of Independence. Most notably, I want you to write down the name that you see that's the largest name on there. It's kind of a important fact on there, and people kind of use that as a fun little saying today on sign your name by using this guy's name. I believe this will give you a good precursor to learning about the reasons for signing the Declaration of Independence. Why this document is probably the most important document in our history of the United States of America. And it'll also lead up to, as we begin to study the Revolutionary War and study the battles that take place over the next 7 to 8 years as we fight Great Britain for our independence. If you have any questions, I would also like you to, I guess there's a timeline on there too. Maybe write a lot of the things with the timeline with this Declaration of Independence a couple years beforehand, and going to the end of the Revolutionary War, we can start to develop our timeline using this webpage. So if you got any questions, feel free to ask, but ushistory.org, and I'll give you the link, and this will be our project for today.